Hi, Shubhen. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Okay, how was your day so far?
My day was good so far, I can say.
Hmm.
Yeah, I had to do something, so I had done all those things, whatever I wanted to do.
Okay, and okay, so why don't you introduce yourself first and then we'll dive into the session.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Fluent Kumar. I'm from Sahasa, Bihar. Recently, I completed my graduation in mechanical branch. When it comes to my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, and reading books. Nowadays, I'm starting reading books.
Hmm. That's great.
Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, okay, that's great.
Yes,
Wonderful. So, do you want me to introduce myself as well?
yes, yes. Oh,
Okay, okay. So my name is Sakshi Johan, as you can see, and I am speaking from Gwalior MP. I have completed my masters, so now I'm a PhD scholar, and apart from that, I have my YouTube channel, so where I upload such kind of conversational videos. Yeah, and if I talk about my hobbies, so I'm interested in reading books, writing poetries, and poems. Yeah, that's all about me. What happened?
yeah, that's good to know.
Hmm.
I mean, I got a call, that's why.
Okay, okay. So tell me how everything is going on. Are you working on your English or right now you are just focusing on your work or your studies?
Yes, I'm preparing for government exam. So everything is going good, I can say.
Okay.
My exam is about to come. Yeah, my exam will be held in next month. So I'm
Hmm.
preparing for that. Still, I'm trying to take out time for 30 minutes, 40 minutes to have a session with someone.
Hmm.
That's why I message you many times, I can say. And I have seen your many videos. I think when you came last time online, that time I have messaged you many times. That time you told me, when I will be free, then definitely we will have a session together.
Yeah. I that was I think last. After that I haven't started my live. So usually I try to come on live on every Sunday, but sometime I'm completely occupied in something else. So I am unable that moment only. Rest of the time I try to do
Yes.
that. Okay.
Yes, and recently 2 to 3 days, I mean, we were not available at the same time.
Exactly. It happens. I'm facing this issue sometime that person is not available, sometime I'm not available. So yeah,
Yes,
it happens. But finally we are connecting. It's a big deal for me.
yes.
Hmm. Okay, so for studies, you need to spend like couple of time. How much time do you spend? Couple of hours you spend, I think.
In a study, I spending, you can say, more than 7 to 8 hours I mean, at library. And because
Okay.
my exam is about to come,
Hmm.
yes, the still before that I was at library. So after then I got your, I mean, you messaged me in the morning, so I thought that I will have a session. That's why I have to go to my home, in my room. That's, yeah, spend because my exam is about to come, so
Hmm.
that's why it's my first priority. I
Yeah,
want to crack
that's
that
true.
exam.
Okay. For which exam you are preparing?
It's a government, I mean, central government exam.
Okay, like as you are saying that your exam is about to come, so can you please tell me that which particular exam is about to come?
It's a state exam, state.
Okay, okay. So you are doing online study, is it? I mean, you must have purchased
Yes,
any
yes,
classes, is it? Or only on YouTube?
yes, yes, yes. I'm
Hmm.
taking online classes.
Okay, so that means this is the high time to hit the books and you have to burn the midnight oil if you want to
Yes, yes, you're right.
crack this exam.
Yes,
Hmm.
because this is the time to do something.
Right. So,
Yes,
okay. And apart from that, for English, of course, you are not getting too much time for study.
yes.
For English. Sorry,
When
for
I,
English.
yeah, in a starting when I started learning this language, that time I used to talk. I used to give more than 2 to 3 hours in a day. But nowadays I'm not getting so I mean that much time, only for 30 minutes, 25 minutes. If I will have a session, then I will. Otherwise nowadays I'm not doing anything related to English.
Okay. So,
Recently I also created my YouTube channel. So did you
mhm.
check my YouTube channel? Did you visit my
Yeah,
YouTube
yeah,
channel?
yeah. I checked it. I gone through. You send me link
Yes.
and I checked that. Hmm. Amazing.
Yes.
Recently you have created that channel, is it?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I
Hmm.
mean my YouTube channel had already created when I logged first time into mail. But
Hmm.
recently, last 1 month, I have been posting at least one video day after day. You can say. In between, I took a gap because I was at my home, so I was quite busy with the work. So that time I was not uploading anything.
Right, right. No, it's okay. Just focus on your studies and whenever you have time, because if first of all we should have a set our priority and you have already did this. Yeah. So you have your priority that your exam and these are the secondary thing just to make you entertain, right? Or give you self
Yeah.
satisfaction that at least I'm doing something. So, fine, accordingly, just don't take burden, don't take pressure. Whenever you have time, whenever it is convenient for you, connect with people, have your session, and then upload it. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. I
Hmm.
don't take it seriously.
Right. So
Just only for
every
fun.
day do
Because
you do or rarely, like in a week, twice,
no
thrice?
time.
Hmm.
Yeah. I mean, if I had to upload today, then next day I will not upload. Then next day.
Alternate days. Huh. You're doing it on
Yes. Yes.
alternate days. Hmm.
Yes.
That's also fine. Okay. So, do you have something to say, or let's do some practice? Let's learn something new.
Yes, I mean, right nowadays I think I mean facing a lot of problem. Like so when we talk on video call, so I feel hesitant, underconfident. So how can I overcome that?
Hmm. Yeah, so that's not a big deal actually. Don't worry about that. As you're not connecting too much, you're not doing it on daily basis. That's why you might face some issue. I would not say that this is a big deal. That's very normal. Over the time, you will learn it.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's do some healthy discussion or let me ask you some vocabulary or you can also ask some vocabulary or some idioms.
Okay, I'm not good at vocabulary. I mean, I don't didn't give any particular time to mug up and cram vocab. Just
Mhm.
yeah, you can ask. I will try my level best.
Okay, for sure. Okay, so first one is that cut the crap. What does that mean? Cut the crap.
Cut the
Cut
crap.
the crap. Yeah.
I don't know what does it.
Okay. So cut the crap means someone is just talking about rubbish things. So then we can say this like, can you please cut the crap? है ना? In Hindi we call it bakwas band karo. So cut the crap.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay. This is an idiom. Next one is break the ice.
Break the. I heard about
Break
break
the
the
ice.
ice.
Break a leg is a different. This one is break the ice.
I don't know.
Yes. Okay, so break the ice means start conversation. Suppose that we are meeting very first time and we are not familiar to each other, right? So we can say like we can start our conversation by saying this. Okay, so let's break the ice and let me introduce myself. Or by breaking the ice, we'll start this session. So break the ice means start conversation or start talking to people, right?
Got it.
Okay. Next one I'm going to
Yes.
ask you that I have used just now. So that is burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil.
Burn the midnight oil.
Yes. As I said that your exam is just about to come or your exams are almost upon you. So this is high time to burn the midnight oil.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. Can you guess
Got
this
it.
one?
Yes?
Can you guess this one? Burn the midnight oil?
No.
Okay. So burn the midnight oil means work hard. in a late night. As I used
Okay,
it, like your exam is almost upon you, so it's high time to burn the midnight oil. Okay, means study
got it.
anything that you are doing so hardly and you are putting your lot of effort.
Yes, yes, got it.
Yeah. So we have actually so many idioms I have. You can also learn it, but this is time to focus on your study. But whenever you have free time, you can learn these kind of idioms.
Yes, yes. I'm not focusing on those things. First, I thought once I will be comfortable with this language, then I will try. Then after, if after that I will try, then I will grab everything. What is the actual meaning of this? But if I will go, I mean, this field, maybe I will get, some difficulties to learn. That's why.
Hmm.
Because sometimes I get stuck while speaking, so nothing. Mind goes blank sometimes. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm not focusing on those things.
Exactly. Okay, so actually at 8:30 I have my class. So we have to wrap up this time. But all the best for your exam and just do study, focus on your study. And after some time, definitely first you get free from your exam and we'll definitely connect another time. Okay. As I have only 3 minutes
Okay.
left. Do you want to say
Okay.
something?
All the
You
best.
can.
No, next time when we will connect then.
Sure, sure. Okay. Nice talking to you and best of luck for your exam.
Yeah. Yes, I mean, and all the rest you as well.